Okay, so hey, Hughley, you open up Sam Central, and then once it's here, you're going to open up the Sam Central. Okay, so then once you're here, you're going to go ahead and click on the class. And as you can see, all of her students aren't in there. So go to Class Analytics, and then you're going to scroll down to Roster and Enrollment right here. And then you're going to go down to the bottom and click Find Student. And you're going to search for the teacher's name. So this is Dixon. Search. You're going to go through and check all the kids. Alice, Leah, Alejandra, Delante. Okay, it's going to take a second to get everybody, but you have to do this multiple times because for some reason iRead kicks them out every day. I don't know why. Seems like a problem with their program, but we might be able to contact the iRead people and tell them what's happening. We might be able to fix that glitch. So once you get everybody, click Add. And see, it has 15 over here. Now it should go to more than that. You can see 18 plus 7 plus 1. So now they're all enrolled. And then you can go to Class Analytics, Groupinators down here. And then it'll put them in their reading groups. Or you can do the personalized learning path. Let's see. We can groupinate them. Go down to Groupinate, and then as you can see, now it groups everybody where they should be. Hope that helps. Love ya. Call me if you need me.